Here's a hot strategy for real estate investors that I think is a terrible idea, and that is wholesaling, because you don't have the skills yet to find those really, really crazy good deals. And so what most wholesalers end up doing is just finding another wholesaler who's got a good deal, who found it from somebody else, and then you think you can go and sell it, and then you can't. Look, wholesaling works if you know what you're doing, but when you're new, you don't know what you're doing. I think it's a terrible way to start. Instead, I would just find one investor and just go find a deal for him. Like, have him or her tell you what they're looking for, have them tell you what to do, and go out and find that deal for them and do it for free. Go do it for free.